Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel program. So to make bar graph, firstly insert and type your data. In my case, for example, I'm showing you a bar graph for this data. So first thing you have to do, select your data, then click on insert, and in this charts section, click on bar graph symbol. So click on this drop down, and here you will see some bar graph style like 2D column, 3D, 2D bar and 3D bar, and also you can find more columns charts. So I will select this simple 3D column, so select it. Now as we can see, we have this bar graph chart in Excel program, and also you can edit, like you can change the name, like you can change the name, like you can change the title name, and also you can change style from this list. There are some more style, and also you can change the style for this and color. So hopefully friends, by this very super easy method, we can know how to create and make bar graph in Excel. Hopefully like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.